guys, this is Crafty Cat and Smokey the Bird. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here at camp and we are working on this adorable diamond painting. It's so beautiful. It's the pretty girl with the blue hair and the fox. And so you can see I've already done more than half of it. And I did this so fast, you guys. I just started this the other day. And this is like a day and a half's work. It was raining and cold, so I was just watching Monk and Diamond painting. And today I had to go for a run to town, and now I'm back. And I thought, let's do some diamond painting. It's very cold outside, so I had the heater on. It's still on low. Yeah, so anyway, this is really cute. And we're just going to work on this a little bit together. So I hope this is all on the screen. I think it is. So I've got my big tray here, and I've got my 2 diamond painting pens. And I think we're going to start with E in this corner, and E is 9. So it's that pretty orange color, which is perfect for fall. And it's the end of summer. It's not quite fall yet, but fall is definitely in the air today. I'm just going to move my pens. So this is a lovely color. So this is one of the diamond paintings I got as a PR promotion package from New Craft Day. And I was so eager to get working on this. I'm so glad I'm finally doing it. It's so beautiful. I had to force myself to wait to do this out at camp. I thought it'd be perfect for the last week or 2 that I'm out here. So I'm using the multi-placer. And of course, there's always one that doesn't want to come out. I think I need some more sticky stuff. I'm just using white. It's like blue tack, but it's white. So I'm just shoving it in here. I'm going to have to order some more pens when I go back to town. I just went briefly back to town. I didn't go home. I had to go pick up a package at the UPS because they had the wrong address on it yesterday. My poor mom waited all day for the package to come. And I didn't want her to have to wait another day, so I said, just hold it and I'll go pick it up. I can't believe they put the wrong address. So while I was in town, I stopped at the grocery store and I got some groceries. And I stopped at the dollar store and I got some junk food for me and some peanuts for Smokey the Bird and another bag of peanuts for the squirrels and the chipmunks out here. So now I'm just tapping this on the back of the couch and the whole camera's shaking. Sorry. I'll tap it here instead. I'm just trying to get some of the stick out. I can't believe how expensive groceries are now. It's just absolutely shocking, the price of groceries now. You guys find that too where you live? Or I'm in Canada. And it's unbelievable to me how expensive groceries are. 8. I don't know how people with families manage. I guess a lot of spaghetti and rice dishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey, Smokey, you gonna talk? Smokey was on her own for a few hours today. I left the radio on for her. I was a little bit worried because she's in her travel cage, and I'm pretty sure she could open the door if she wanted to, because she's very smart and she sees how to open the door. Her cage at home, she can't get out because it's a parrot-proof cage. This cage that she's in is a travel cage. I call it a travel cage, but it used to belong to my cockatiel, and it was a huge cage for the cockatiel. Huge. I mean, it's big enough for the parrot, but her home cage at home is so much bigger that it seems small. Oh, no. Did you see what just happened? This fell right off. Hang on. What happened there? I don't know why it fell off. All right, so we did that section of E. There's just one more. I'm going to make sure you're still in the camera. And there's a little section of E's right here. So there's a little 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And a 2. And the rest are single placers. Oops. And we're all done with these E's here. And there's some E's down here. So what are you guys all working on right now? I can't believe how many diamond paintings I'm getting done out at camp. It really helps when the weather's not good. So when the weather's good, I'm too busy swimming and walking and kayaking. But still in the evening, I do diamond paint in the evening. All right, there's a whole big section of E's over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Also 7. And one more set of 7. Oh. And a single. And a single. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think this just holds 10, but that last one never wants to stick on for some reason. One, 2, 3, 4. I really like this orange. It's so pretty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see how fast it is when you can use the multi-placer like this. 5. Although I am making a mess, aren't I? It doesn't matter. It does not matter. I don't care. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know what would be cool? They should invent these with the numbers of how many it is, like with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like a ruler, so you can know just at a glance how many you need. That'd be so cool. A little 2, a little 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And a whole ton of them. And a 3. I hope I'm still on camera. And I'm sorry that I'm not zoomed in a lot. Maybe in editing, I'll try to zoom in so you can see what I'm doing a little bit better. But I find when I zoom in, when I'm recording, I forget that I'm zoomed in, and then I end up with a lot of stuff that's off camera. 5. And some single placers. Fun. And I have a section here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, another 5. Smokey's being very quiet. My best friend called today while I was in my car, just after I finished shopping, and it was so funny because I had just thought of her. And I thought, oh, I gotta call Lori when I get back to camp. And she ended up calling me, and it always happens like that. It's so funny. And sometimes when I call her, she, like even before there was call answer, she always knew it was me. We have a kind of like telepathy almost. Not that I believe in that, but we have had that through the years. But remember the game Pictionary? Nobody would let us play on the same team because I would just draw one line and she would guess it. And they said, you guys are using telepathy, stop. It was so funny. So our other friends would never let us be partners. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's just go this way now for that 4. And a 2. And some single placers. Oh, I missed. I didn't have one on. I just had this little tiny thing, whatever that is. Yeah, there's a little bit of junk in some of these, but not much. You can see that's pretty good. The last one I did from New Craft Day was, it had a lot of junky drills, but this one just has like that little piece of loose plastic, and that's it. This has been a really good diamond painting. It's got an excellent stick. The drill field is clear. The colors are great. So far, so good. So there's a few more E's over here. I just had to check and make sure I'm still recording. I thought, oh God, what if this is not recording? But it is. It was so funny. When I came home with my groceries, I dropped something on my way in. And from the other room, I hear Smokey going, uh-oh. Sometimes she says things just perfectly, and it cracks me up. Hey, Smokey, uh-oh. I'm running out of stick. I have to add some more stick on this one. And I think that's it for the E's, you guys. We are finished with the E's. Let's put them away. And I think that's it for all of the E's. There's no more E's left on this whole diamond painting that I can see. So I'm going to have quite a few left over. I really love this color. Unfortunately, I won't be putting these in baggies and saving them. I'm just putting all of them into the same baggie. Usually I would dump these into individual baggies. I just see an E that I missed right here. Never fails. What are the odds I could just shove it in here and get one? I did. Oh no, he fell off. Oh, it's because I need more stick. So disappointing. Oh, I had 2 of them. All right. Any more E's? Yes, there is. Oh my gosh, you guys. There is another one. Any more E's? Oh well, no harm done. I truly don't see any more E's. Now, there might be, who knows, but I don't see them. So we have this many of the orange ones left over. And oh, while I was shopping today, while I was at the dollar store, I don't have any big mugs out here. I like to drink out of a big mug. I have one semi-big mug that I drink out of out here, but I like a really big mug. And they didn't have the really giant ones that I like, but look at this beautiful mug that I bought. I don't want to spill. Oh, I'm going to have to show you another time, maybe. But it's all full of dogs. They say woof, woof, woof. There's a poodle and a Dalmatian, and they're just little cute cartoon dogs. And I just really like this mug. It holds a lot more than the other mug that I have out here. Like I have tons and tons of mugs, but they're the old-fashioned mugs from like the 70s. They're just like regular tiny coffee mugs and teacups. And this is like, I like a big one. The one that I have at home is really even bigger. I'll have to show you this another time because it's just not showing up. But I bought myself a big mug for out here. And it's so cute that when I go in town, I'm going to see if I can get more. And they have one with cats on it too. But at camp, I have lots of dogs out here. So I have to get the dogs, and I love dogs. I love cats too, but I can't have a cat because of my allergies. O. Let's do O next, which is 14. Which is this brown color. And a lot of the leaves are already turning brown. And when I drove to town, I was really surprised by how many leaves are starting to change. It's actually a very pretty color. It's super windy out there. There's waves on the lake. There were whitecaps earlier, but they're not right now. So maybe that means it's not that wavy across the lake. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The neighbor is barbecuing and it smells amazing. Did I tell you all the food I bought that I ran out of? I got all my dairy products I ran out of. I ran out of milk and all my different cheeses. So I bought some Havarti cheese, and I bought some feta cheese for my salad. I bought some cream cheese and bagels. 7. I bought some fake crab meat because I like that in my salad as well. I bought some more Greek salad dressing, the creamy kind, by Renee's. I still have lots of lettuce. I still have lots of apples. I like to put an apple in my salad. I bought some walnuts. I like sometimes to put walnuts in my salad. I usually put some, I just like lots of different things in my salad. Cherry tomatoes, definitely. I didn't get a cucumber this time. And I bought some nectarines. I bought a whole container of nectarines. They smelled so good in the store. I just hope I can eat them before they start going bad. I forgot my French vanilla. I feel like I already told you this. If I did, I'm sorry. After I do this, I'm going to have a bite to eat, I think. And then I'm going to open my package. And I'm so excited to open my package, you guys. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting for it. It's a package of art supplies that I won. I took part in Worldwide Watercolor Month in the month of July, where you paint something different every day for the month of July. And they give you prompts every day, and you could follow the prompts or not. And I mostly tried to follow the prompts. And I had such a wonderful time. And I won a prize from Royal Talons. And it's really expensive art supplies that I would never be able to buy on my own. It's just way out of my price range. Like, it was just one paint set, a set of travel brushes, and a pad of paper. And it came to $4.70 American. Like, that's what the value of the package is. And that's not something I would ever, ever spend on myself. And I'm not good enough to justify that either. So I was so excited for it to come in. And then they didn't send it. They didn't send it. They didn't send me a notice, like, saying, here's the tracking number, nothing. So the guy who was running the Worldwide Watercolor Month, he was really nice. I sent him an email. And I said, have you heard anything from this company? Have they sent you a tracking number? And he said, no, let me look into it. And then he didn't hear anything for a long time, so I waited a couple weeks and I called him. I didn't call him. I sent him another email. And I said, again, if you heard anything, he goes, no. He goes, but let me get back to them. I'll get on them. So he did, and then they got back to him finally, and they said they hadn't sent anything out at all. And I wasn't the only prize winner. Other people won different prizes, and they hadn't sent anything, and it had been almost a month. So that's pretty bad that they didn't send anything, or at least send an email saying, sorry, we're behind, you know? It's okay if you can't send something, but at least send an email. So I was really shocked that they didn't do that. And then I thought, well, maybe it's just a scam and I'm never going to get it. But I finally got a notice from UPS saying it was on the way. And I just waited and waited for it to come. And it finally got here. And then I get a notification they put the wrong address on. And they did have my right address. So I don't know what that was all about. So yesterday I called the company that is responsible for UPS here in town. They're called Canpar. So I finally got through. And anyway, I was talking to the lady and she says, yeah, she goes, they had your wrong address. She goes, but the truck driver that usually drives that route is in today and he recognizes your name. He knows where your house is. So he could bring it tomorrow. And I said, no, just save it. I'll come and get it. I'm pretty sure I already told you this. I apologize, you guys. I had another headache today. And I don't know why I'm getting headaches because I'm so relaxed. It's so beautiful out here. All I could think is the change in not temperature, but like air pressure maybe. I often get headaches when the seasons change. And it got really cold in the night. And we had a lot of storms earlier last week. And we went from really, really hot weather to like cold, stormy weather. So I think it's just my body's trying to get rid of it, like not get used to it, or it's like the air pressure. I don't know. Barometric pressure. That's the word I was looking for. Barometric pressure. I'm pretty sure that's the problem. So anyway, the whole reason I'm telling you this is I did finally give in and take a Tylenol 3 today. Only one. You're supposed to take 2 at a time, but I took 1 Tylenol 3 and 1 regular strength Tylenol when I got home from shopping. And I guess I think I'm probably feeling a little bit loopy because I don't take those all the time. I have the prescription for them. I take regular Tylenol all the time, but I usually try to avoid the Tylenol 3 because there's codeine in it. But my headache's pretty bad, so. And I could just be hungry. Maybe if I eat something, I'll feel better. And I sure have plenty to choose from. I even bought a frozen pizza while I was out because I forgot to bring my cooler and I forgot to bring my ice packs, my freezer packs. So what I did was I just bought a cooler bag at the dollar store and I bought a frozen pizza to act as my freezer pack. And I do like pizza, so there's no pizza deliveries out here, so it'll have to be frozen or homemade, and I'm not doing a homemade pizza out here, so. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7. I think I only have 6. I think I need a 7. Hang on. Let's see if that's 7. Now I need a 6. And a 3. And a 2. And a 2. And are those D's or O's? I think those are D's or O's. I think those are D's. 2. 2. And a bunch of, oh, yeah, I have to add more sticky stuff to this one. Hey, Smokey. Smokey just did the door, or a zipper. Was that a zipper or the door? I couldn't tell if it was the squeaky door or the zipper. Maybe the zipper. She does the zipper of my case that holds all of this stuff. You love sound effects, eh, Smoke? Okay. Oh, 3 of them. And a single. Am I missing any O's over here? Yes, I am. There's here. And here. I'm tilting my head. Sometimes I find tilting my head and looking at a different angle helps. All right, and there's some here in the corner. Just gonna move this a little bit. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, maybe not 8. I think I have 1 too many. One, two, three, four, 5. One, two, three, four, 5, 6. Oh, no, I only have 5 on there. Rats. 4, 2, and all single placers. Uh-oh, that doesn't want to fit. There. I think that's it for the O's. Let's just double check. Yeah, I don't see any more O's. I'm going to put them away. If there are more O's, I don't even care. There is, right there. See? Right here. Is that it? I don't know why I can't see them when I'm looking right at it, and then I turn my head to put them away, and then I see them out of the corner of my eye. So weird how that works. Should we do one more color? Have a sip of my tea. What are you guys drinking? What is your favorite thing to drink when you're diamond painting? I'm having lemon ginger herbal tea. It's got no caffeine in it at all. I have a little bit of honey, and for my whitener, my cream, I just use a little wee bit of Premier Protein. That's one of my tricks for drinking coffee. I usually add Premier Proteins. I get protein. Although out at camp I've been adding French vanilla just because it tastes so good. And there's no health benefits at all. But normally what I do use is Premier Protein flavor. So should we do the Z next or the C next? I think the Z is a green color. Z is 8. Oh no, it's not. It's not green. Doesn't that look green? Look at right there. That looks green. Looks green, but now that looks, yeah, it's this color. I don't want to do that color. Let's do C. C is number 23. Oh, pretty. Ah, yeah, that's nice. Let's do C. I'm weird. I just did an orange and a brown, so now I need a bright, vibrant color. Although the orange is very pretty. That's beautiful. Alrighty, C. There's a bunch of C's up here. 3. 2. 2. 1, 2. Oh wait, what should I? Let's go this way now. 4. Whatever's like the longer amount is the way I try to go. Let's do another 4. Let's do another 4. And another 4. And another 4. A 3. I don't know what my neighbors are eating, but it smells good. You know what it smells like? Hamburgers. It smells like hamburgers on the barbecue. It smells so good. Hamburgers are the one thing I don't have out here. I have meatballs. If I don't put sauce on them, they kind of taste like a hamburger. Smells good. I was going to have a salad for supper. I have everything from my special salad, but 6. Now I'm kind of in the mood for something hot. And I also bought Sun Chips. The dollar store had Sun Chips. Did I already tell you this? Sun Chips are my favorite chips. Smokey loves them too. The cheese flavor. This is a really beautiful color. This is the color that the lake was earlier today, but now the lake is blue. Blue, blue, blue. Oh, way in the distance, it's almost this color. But today, the lake, I was just watching it change colors, and the colors depends on whether there's clouds in the sky or not, and how much sun is hitting and everything. But anyway, it was going from blue to green to turquoise to silver. It's just so beautiful to watch. Lake Superior is gorgeous, gorgeous. I love being near the water. It makes me very happy to see the water every day. And the greenery, all the trees. And we've got beautiful mixed forests. There's a lot of evergreen trees like pines and spruce and cedar. But there's also a lot of maple and oak and willow and white birch, poplar, lots and lots of poplar. I bought some smoked fish too the other day that I haven't opened yet. It's in a plastic packaging. So as soon as I open it, I have to eat it very quickly. That'll be good with the bagels and the cream cheese. Maybe I'll have that for lunch tomorrow. I'm just giving this another shake. I think I'm going to need more. Yeah, I definitely need more because there's a few more big pieces. Let's give that a shake. And I like it when it's a big long row like this so I don't have to count. I can just fill the whole thing up. No, I didn't place it right. No, 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 no. What did I do wrong here? I don't know. 1, 2, 3. I think I can fill that whole thing up again. And 8. One too many. 5. And some single placers. I do enjoy single placing a lot. I find it very relaxing. But I'm enjoying the multi-placer too. When I get it right. It's a big pain in the neck when I get it wrong. Big, big, big. Huge, huge, huge pain in the neck. Oh, is that a C or a G? I don't like when the C's and the G's are too close together in color. The C is blue and the G is green, but I think those are G's. Yeah, I think those are G's. I think we're done with the C. No, we're not. There's a 3 spot right there. Okay, so the C's are black and the G's are white. So those are definitely G's. Because look, the C's are in a black ink. I like when they do that. That makes a big difference. I see the things in black ink much better than I do the things in white ink. I have a hard time. And I understand they need to use white ink on the dark colors. That makes sense. It's just my eyes have a much harder time. And I think it's because the light is washing them out. If you turn the light out, then it's easier to see. But I need the light to see in the first place. So, yeah. I think that is it. I don't see any more C's. And if there are, that's okay. I'll fill them in later. So it looks like we have quite a few of these pretty. This is such a pretty color. I love that color. Smokey is very interested in all the diamond paintings. I show her and sometimes she goes, "Oh, pretty." I wish I could get her to say that on camera. Oh, look, I just see one more C. Oh, 2 more C's. What? How do I suddenly see them now? I need to just look away and look back, apparently. It's just like when you're doing a jigsaw puzzle. You have to walk away and come back, and then you easily see the things you couldn't see when you were staring at them. It's that same thing. And you know what? I forgot to bring my freaking jigsaw puzzles out. And when I was at the dollar store, I meant to buy more. Like, buy at least one more to do out here, and I forgot. Ah! Because camp is great for jigsaw puzzles. Right here. Look away, look away, look away, look back. See? Going once, going twice. No more C's. You guys, if you see the C, you're probably going, there's right there. Right in front of you. I don't know. I don't see anymore. I don't see anymore. Get it? See? Bad joke. I really like this one, but it's coming loose. See, it's twisting, and it makes it really hard to put the wax in. And I'm doing the lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, and it doesn't help. It wants to come right out, see? Because you can replace this one. So, that's good. that you can replace them. That really helps. Anyway, that's it. Let's turn this off and see how it's looking. It's looking good. So I still have the strip left to do. I still have to do I and J and W. So it's going to take me a little while. Maybe I'll finish this tomorrow if I work on it tonight and tomorrow or the next day. I'm not in any hurry because I only have 2 diamond paintings left, you guys, and I want to try to stay out here for 2 more weeks. Not like it's 3.5 weeks I've been out here. As I'm recording, this is the 30th of August. So on the 3rd of September, that will be my 4 weeks. And I was originally going to go home on the 3rd of September, but I think I want to stay 1 more week because the Weather Channel says it's going to get nice weather again. So I don't want to be in town for the nice weather. I'd rather be out here for the nice weather. Anyway, that is it for this. We did our WiP in progress. I'm just going to roll this down so I don't lose my stick. I think I'll work on this tonight. Watch some Monk. But I do have to remember to go outside at around 8:30 because it's going to be a full moon tonight and it's the blue moon. So, you know, the saying once in a blue moon. So I want to go watch that come up over the lake. It's going to be gorgeous. Super excited. All right, guys, thank you for joining me. I hope you like this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit subscribe. Notification bell. All of those wonderful things that help me a lot. Thank you so much for being here with me. I hope you got a lot done of whatever you were working on, too. And let me know in the comments what you were working on. All right, guys, take care. Stay safe and happy crafting. Bye for now.